Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Well, today I have a very small Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I happen to be in my camper as I was just doing a little bit of painting today. We did get a little bit more done. If you saw I believe it was my last video on where I've been, what I've been up to. We have been slowly renovating a 1989 Ford Econoline motorhome, and I've really been enjoying working in here. Today is a beautiful sunny day. We had quite a few days of dreariness and rain, but today the sun is out and I thought I would share my haul with all of you inside of the motorhome. So as usual, here's an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to begin, I ended up finding some pet items, which I always like to look for when I go into the Dollar Tree. And I have noticed that they have been getting some really nice organic treats that are made in Canada, and they are really good. My pup loves them. But when I went into Dollar Tree, I noticed they had some of these Pet IQ puzzles, which I thought would be awesome for Chewy because he loves to play games and he does eat his food very fast. So I thought this would be a great way for him to slow down, to exert some of his energy, and to enjoy a really nice treat in a fun way. So the two different ones that I found, this was the first one, and I guess it would resemble somewhat of a paw, not a dog paw, but I don't know, that's what I first thought of when I saw it. So it has these 4 little compartments here, and then it has this centerpiece here where you can move the pieces and hide the treats and just have a lot of fun with your pup. And the second one that I picked up is this bone, and then these little pieces come out so that you can put the treats inside. There is a little hole so they can sniff to find where it is. So I thought it was a really neat thing to find at the Dollar Tree, and I was happy to pick them up. Next, I came across the Old El Paso Quesadilla Seasoning, and I had not seen this one before. I actually hadn't even seen it in the grocery store, so I was really happy to come across this because we love quesadillas, and I actually did try them the other night and they tasted so good. So I'm really happy that they have this new quesadilla seasoning mix at Dollar Tree. Then in the gardening section, I don't know if these were out before because, as I said, I really haven't been paying too much attention to a lot of Dollar Trees, but I came across this really nice planter. As you can see, they are $1.50 now. They almost have like a kind of like a white dry brushed finish to it. So that was really nice. They say flowers and garden on the front, and then they have the jute twine wrapped around, and it has 2 little handles on each side. So I was only able to find 4 of these, but I really love these for the Dollar Tree Christmas trees that they have. I just decorate seasonally, and so when I put up my trees for the winter season, I just have the green tree full of lights, and I think putting them in this is going to be really cute. I'll probably end up taking out the little legs that they come with, or I won't even put them in, fluff the tree out, and then just hot glue it to the center, and I think it'll really make the trees stand out. So I was really happy to come across these. The only other thing that I picked up on this small Dollar Tree haul were some ornaments that I hadn't seen before and I absolutely love. So I came across these ones that are like the tags. So there's 2 of them, a smaller and a larger, and they are attached in the back. You can see they're plain in the back, but on the front, this one here looks like a wooden with a white dry brush, and it says Holly Jolly with the black and white buffalo check, a little bit of greenery and some berries. I thought that was really cute. And then it has the jute twine to hang that up. And then the second one that I came across was in white, and it says Happy Holidays, and again with the same greenery and bow attached to it. I thought these were super cute. Next, I came across these snowflake ornaments that look so adorable. Now these are like made out of an MDF, but they are again plain on the back, and then they have like a white and brown outline to these, but they are so pretty. They have the black and white buffalo check, well this one does, and as you can see it says Mary in the metal word, and then a bow at the top with the jute twine to hang it. And then the other one that I picked up says Believe in the red and black buffalo check. And the last ornament that I have to share is my favorite ornament that I came across at Dollar Tree, and they are a pair of skis, and I found them in 3 different colors. You can see there is the red, a white, and a gray, and they have a little wreath in the center with a sign that says ski lift, and then the poles and the red and white or black and white buffalo check bow in the center. I thought they were so adorable, and I think what I'm going to be doing with these this year is my stairway to go upstairs. As you saw, if you've seen my video with the Dollar Tree stick tiles, my landing at the top is very small, but I have a sign that I put up for the winter season, and it's like a ski lodge sign. So I thought these would be super cute this year to decorate my railing going upstairs with some either greenery, and then have these going up the stairs. And being that they say ski lift with the sign pointing up, I think it's gonna look super adorable. So this was a real nice surprise to find these at Dollar Tree, and I'm so glad that I was able to pick them up and bring them home. And guys, that will do it for this small Dollar Tree. I thought that I was gonna get around to going to the Dollar Tree this weekend. This I actually picked up last weekend, and I was just gonna save it, and then whatever I found today, because I thought I was gonna go today, I would just add them together to make a larger Dollar Tree haul. But I'm not gonna be going today, so I just thought I would go ahead and share these. And if you haven't seen these at your Dollar Tree and you enjoy them, maybe this is something that you can look out for at your Dollar Tree. Well, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope everyone is well. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was a small one. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It greatly helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.